What if the most powerful tool for growing and managing your medical practice wasn't a software platform, wasn't a billing service, and wasn't a hired consultant, but a community of physicians and practice management experts across the USA, all solving the same problems you're facing right now, together, at a price every doctor can actually afford? Here is something nobody talks about enough in the medical world. Doctors are incredibly isolated when it comes to the business side of running a practice. You went through years of training surrounded by mentors, colleagues, and educators. But the moment you stepped into practice ownership, you were suddenly on your own. Figuring out billing, staffing, compliance, revenue cycle management, patient retention, all alone. No roadmap, no community, no one to call when things go wrong at the worst possible moment. And that isolation is expensive. When you don't have access to the right knowledge, the right peers, and the right guidance, you make costly decisions in the dark. You overpay for services because you don't know what fair pricing looks like. You repeat mistakes that other physicians have already solved. You miss strategies that could have transformed your collections, your workflows, and your patient experience, simply because nobody in your circle had ever figured them out either. That is exactly the gap the best doctor management community in the USA was built to fill. A thriving, affordable network of physicians, billing experts, practice managers, and healthcare administrators, all sharing real-world strategies, proven systems, and honest experiences that textbooks and consultants will never give you. From revenue cycle tips to staffing solutions, from compliance guidance to growth strategies, everything your practice needs is already inside this community, shared by people who have lived it firsthand. And unlike expensive masterminds or elite consulting groups that price out the average physician, this community was intentionally built to be accessible to every doctor, at every stage, across every specialty in the USA, because better practice management shouldn't be a privilege. It should be a standard. If you are ready to stop managing your practice in isolation and start growing alongside the best medical minds in the country, subscribe to this channel right now. Because we are your gateway into the best doctor management community in the USA, and your practice will never be the same after you join.